So how does it feel, guys, to have multi-million dollars invested in the stock market? I'll tell you exactly that. But first, let's take a minute to enjoy this. Look at this beauty, guys, from Switzerland. Guys, it's no surprise I've been raving on about how much money I've been investing in the stock market the last couple of months, weeks, and I'm in and out of certain trades. But recently, I dropped quarter of a million as well in some stocks. I think some of you seen that post if you're part of the high net worth trading group, because I shared with you guys exactly the stocks that I bought, how much I transferred in, but also I did share my portfolio, or I think not the portfolio, but the account size somewhere on YouTube. Look, I don't do that to, show off. There's no reason to show off money. It means nothing, actually. This is the real thing to show off about. Just to be in beautiful locations. Now that, I'm showing off now. Which, by the way, you can do. You don't need a lot of money. So, multi-million dollars invested. How does it feel? Nothing. It feels like nothing. Because I accept every outcome in the markets. Something many of you cannot accept. And if you can't accept the outcome, you're the first to jump ship. So before I buy anything, I know the market can go up, it can go down, it can do 10x, it can drop by 50%. So I automatically detach myself from the money. Something you should learn to do, detach yourself from the money. Because if you don't detach yourself from the money, what are you? You're emotional towards the volatility. If you're emotional towards the volatility, it's a problem in the stock market, guys. Honestly, I've seen the best traders get shaken out in times of turbulence. The best traders. You do not want that. You do not want to get shaken out when there's turbulence in the market. What you want to do is double down because you believe in what you bought. Guys, trading is a psychological game. I always tell you, swing trading that is. Today you're up, tomorrow you're down. But over time, if you invest right and you buy the right things, you should be up. Because markets always go up. And if you're betting against the stock market, then you believe the world is over. Does this look like the world is over? Does it look like the world is over, guys? It's only over where you are. It's only gloomy where you are. And whenever you see gloom or you notice gloom emerging in your sentences, change location immediately and get a better picture of how the world is operating, because the stock market is the whole world, right? It's how people feel. The consumer might feel constrained from time to time, because that's really because of headlines at times, right? Headlines scare people. So, how does it feel, to answer your question, to invest millions in the market? I'm prepared. I've understood the psychology of the markets. I've studied. I've learned. I've done 12 years in the markets. When you have that track record, guys, and there's people with 20 plus years, they will tell you. I mean, the same people sending out headlines are the same people investing in the markets. Once you realize that and understand that, you'll never get shaken out. You'll never be worried about volatilities. You have a number in your head and you know you're going to make that work. You know X and X is going to play out and it's going to do that much. And if it doesn't, you've accepted that short-term volatility can happen, especially if you invest in the kind of stocks that I invest in. I don't buy CVS and Walmart and Target Corporations and Nike and Apple and Microsoft. I don't do that. I go for looking in the garbage, looking for stocks undervalued, and that is undervalued because of there's a reason why it's undervalued, and I buy those kind of stocks. Or I go on sectors that are risky, but they have bigger pay. Guys, the things people are overlooking have the bigger payouts, but also the higher risk. And you can only do that when you're certain of yourself, when you're sure of yourself. So don't attempt to do that if you're not sure of yourself. And if you're sure of yourself, you're going to make a lot of money. But at the same time, you've accepted that once you enter your capital in the market, volatility is going to happen. Psychologicals, emotionals are going to happen. Emotions are going to happen. You're going to feel emotional. You're going to be scared. You're going to be doubtful. You're gonna feel at times like just quitting, giving up, right? And it happens all the time. It happens all the time, guys. Your health is important. You have to know this. If you can't manage your emotions in the market, you're going to trigger anxiety. And anxiety with blood pressure spiking, it's not good, guys. I have hypertension after years in the market, and that's why I have to look after myself. These days, you see me in Dubai, always walking, because I have hypertension, right? I have to manage my salt intake, my anxiety. That's why I don't run a chat room for day traders, right? But I do have a course available for that. But you cannot, like, small capital people with small capital are not people who I want to focus on when it comes to leading. And that's one of the reasons why I don't do that. Is because they're too emotional. They're unable to kind of understand the game well. And most, 97% of traders lose money over time. It's because of that emotions. Emotions, not that they panic when there's a downtrend or a dip in the market. It's emotions when they're not making money. They want to revenge trade. They want to go aggressive. They want to go crazy. I see certain people in my own group today. They do that, and they really piss me off. And I hope they see this because they're running on thin ice. If you're not able to, guys, the stock market isn't here to make you quick money, right? Sometimes we make quick money. From 2024, we did that. 2025, there was hints of that, but it was lousy year. And if you didn't make quick money, you're probably hating your life. You're here for wealth creation. That's what the stock market is for. When I enter millions, I'm not looking for quick money, am I? No, I'm looking for wealth creation, guys. Wealth creation. Remember that. That's what you're here to do. If you're looking to be a millionaire from the stock market, give up. Give up. Because you come poor and you expect to make millions, how are you going to do it? In one trade? Where most people fail? Now, I'm sorry, I should retract that statement. You can make a lot of money from the stock market. But not the way you think you're going to make it. It's going to be slow. It's going to be slow, guys. It's going to be slow and then fire. Like, you know how you light a fuse? It kind of starts out slow and then it just takes off. Well, most of you need to get to that fuse, right? That's building your capital slowly. And then the rocket is when you align yourself in the right sectors and you're at the right time. The industry is ready to go, the one you invest in. And basically, right person, right time, everything's right. And you make a lot of dough in a short period of time. But you could be waiting months and years before you get to that right person, right time scenario. But it has happened many times. It has happened to me, but I wasn't fully committed to it. So, guys, how does it feel to invest millions in the market? I just told you in 8 minutes what it feels like. Accept every outcome and do not have the expectations you guys have, and you'll always win. It's just all up here, guys. All up here. Thank you very much for tuning in. Let me go enjoy Switzerland, and I'll see you guys next time.